Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Barn AI for a resume. Google Barn AI is the latest AI software to be released. It has numerous advantages compared to ChatGPT. Just to name a few, ChatGPT latest informational update is up to 2021. So that means that if you are researching any information beyond 2021, you would not be able to get accurate information using ChatGPT. Compared to Google Barn that is up to date. And remember that Google Barn is also created by Google, so it gathers all of its information from Google. And Google is the most popular and the tried and tested search engine around. So who would you prefer? And also another advantage that I personally realized is once you have typed in a prompt in Google Barn, you tend to get more information compared to ChatGPT. For example, I went onto Google Barn, and as this topic is about creating a resume, I typed in, "Can you help me create a resume?" And you can see the first prompt right here is it outlines how a resume format should be. So in case you didn't know, your resume format is choose the right resume format. There are three main resume formats: chronological, functional, and combination. The chronological format is the most common and lists your work experience in reverse chronological order. So that means that your latest experience, for example, 2021 to 2022 would be at the top, and then anything from the early 2000s would be below. The functional format focuses on your skills and abilities, and the combination format is a hybrid of the two. Also, you should add your contact information, as you can see right here, write a resume summary or objectives. After going through all of those lists, I went on and I asked it again, write a professional looking resume for me. I've worked at a warehouse as a supervisor for 10 years from 2010 to 2020, and I have a university education. So the thing that I would recommend you do once using Google Barn AI or any AI software overall to create a resume for you, I would recommend that you go as detailed as possible. So you basically want to use the platform just like you're talking to someone. So just like you'd be paying a freelancer or a friend to write a resume for you and you are providing them with information, that is the same thing you'll need to do when typing in your prompt. All you will need to do is provide the AI with the necessary information that you think should be on a resume. And as you can see right here, after typing in that prompt, this is what it came up with. You can see the name, and you can also see where I should put my address. And by scrolling down, you can see a quick summary. Warehouse supervisor with 10 plus years of experience in a fast-paced environment. Proven ability to lead and motivate teams, manage inventory, and ensure accuracy and efficiency. Strong organizational and problem-solving skills, and you can also see that it lists out some skills that it automatically assumes that you would gather being a warehouse supervisor. The first thing is warehouse management, inventory management, order picking, shipping and receiving, forklift operation, Microsoft Office Suite, and SAP. And you can also see below it has listed out experiences right there. As remember, I told it that I had the warehouse supervisor experience from 2010 to 2020, and you can also see the team that I manage right there. So all I would need to do now with this information, as it does look good, all I would need to do now is go onto a platform. You could go onto Google Docs or you can use Microsoft Word to create a resume. But what I would recommend you do to create a resume that stands out, I would recommend that you go onto Canva. Canva is a platform that you can sign up on for completely free. All you will need to do is log in using your email address. Once on Canva, what I want you to do is tap on the search bar. Then from there, you're going to type in professional resume. After typing in professional resume, you will see numerous resume templates that you can choose from. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one that you like. You can see that there are numerous resumes right here. And the reason why I recommend that you use one of these templates is, with so much competition for a job, I recommend that you create a resume that once it lands on the HR decks, it will definitely stand out. So the one that I'll be using for this example is this one right here. So I'll tap on customize this template. Once you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to a new page. And all you would need to do now is simply add the information that you got from Google Barn. So we are going to be transferring that information onto our resume template on Canva. Now to increase the size, as you can see, it is very small. Right where you see page 1/1 right here, you will simply pull along the slider to the right to increase the size. The first thing that you are going to do is scroll up, and you want to take a photo of yourself. You can take the photo using your phone, as majority of phones nowadays have a very high quality camera. So you can take a photo and you would put the photo right here. Once you have taken the photo, you can also change the name right here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change the name. I could change the name real quick by tapping on the text box, then typing in my name. So let me do that real quick. After you have typed in a name, you can also put in your position right here. Then you're going to add your contact information. After adding your contact information, as I said, you're going to transfer the information from Google Barn AI. So for example, you can see right here, it is asking for work experience. All you'll need to do is go back onto Barn AI, and from there, you're going to see your work experience, as you can see right here. And all you would need to do now is simply copy this information. So you can copy it, then you will go back over here and you are going to paste it right here. So I will copy and paste it right here. Let me do that. Then you are going to change the date. So you'll change the date right here from 2010 to 2020. Then you are going to paste the rest of the information right here, and you can delete any section you want. Then let's go back, and I'll simply copy this information also. I'll scroll down and I'll copy this information also right here. So let me copy this. Then I'm going to go back, and from here I'm going to paste it right here. Let me do that real quick. After you have pasted it right there, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and we could delete these boxes right here as they have nothing to do with our resume. So we could delete these right here. So let's delete them. Or if you have more experiences at different places, you can simply add them right there. But you'll simply delete all of these boxes. Then you're going to add your education, and you can also add any skills that you have gathered. Once you have done that and it is to your liking, all you would need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, you are going to scroll down, then you are going to tap on download. And all you'll need to do now, you want to ensure that you have selected PDF standard. After doing that, you'll simply tap on download to download your resume, and that's it. And by the way, as I said earlier, all you have to do once on Google Barn is type in all the information, just like if you were talking to someone and you wanted them to help you create your resume. And you can also add in a prompt that says which job or which position you're planning to apply for. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.